To like a comment in Strava app. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to like a comment in Strava app. And if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. So the first thing to do as usual is to launch your Strava app on your phone. So once you are sure that the Strava app has been opened on your phone, the home screen will be displayed on your phone, where you have options to see what your friends are doing on the app, and to subscribe to Strava. Then the list of the sport activities that you've done on the app recently or previously will be displayed on the home screen. So since you want to like a comment in Strava app, you simply take a look at the lower part of the screen where we have the home icon, the maps icon, the record icon, groups icon, and the U icon. So you click on the U icon, which is the fifth and the last icon on that row. So once you've clicked on it, like I've done here, you wait for the page to load. And on this page, at the top right corner of the screen, you'd see three icons. The icon, the profile icon, the search icon, and the settings icon. So you simply click on the profile icon just like I've done here. Okay, so you wait for the page to load. Once you've clicked on the profile icon, so here is on this page that you're going to see the friends or the followers you have, the numbers of followers you have, or the numbers of people following you on this app. So it's here you are going to see their comments for you to be able to like their comments. For me, I have 0 followers and I have 0 number of people following me on this app. But for you that want to like the comments in Strava app, you should have friends or followers on Strava app. So you simply click on the option friend or following just after the profile picture icon. So once you click on it, the comment will be displayed on your screen, and you can simply see this like icon just beneath the comment. So you can click on the like icon to like whatever comment that your followers commented on your sport activity, your post, your pictures on Strava app, and so on. But I'm not able to do that because I don't have followers in Strava app. So it's that simple and it's very easy to try out. So this is simply how to like comment in Strava app. Thank you.